Good afternoon, dear people. Today I wanted to talk about how to fix Windows Explorer when it crashes constantly. I know solution which will help you because sometimes, unfortunately, this operating system is not perfect. When you open multiple times folders, your folders information what you open is stored in Windows registry, but after that it will grow up and it may cause operating system your shell to crash. I mean, it restarts more often. One option what you can do, you can use the option here from home to this PC and you can clear history. But this is only one of the one solution. Another solution is when you type regedit, and you can also run as administrator. I would like to show you everything from the beginning because I actually remember where to get. You can also add to favorites if you don't remember location. We have to go to hockey classes root folder and to folder called local. But first big letters come up. After that you have to scroll down and small letters will come up. Okay, I think I should be okay to navigate. I try to find local, but the thing is that's strange because I should navigate to local. Give me a few seconds because I have to check where folder local is. Oh, actually, we see docs. We have to scroll down a little bit to be able to find folder called local. It can be tricky. It can be tricky. I'm not sure if this. Give me a few seconds because I believe local. I think local settings. I think local settings folder. I wasn't sure if this had big lecture or small lecture, but in local settings folder, you have to go to software, Microsoft, Windows. In folder shell, we have two folders which you have to pay attention on. You can also add to favorites. Where did I? Okay, I think I have to do like that, add it to favorites. And after that, you don't have to open up key, but I will show you what to delete. You see folder called bugs. This grows up slowly. If you open up folders quite often, this number will become too big, and also we need to delete this and this. After doing that, your Windows even will refresh quicker and you will not have constant crashes after removing this. And again, if you type regedit, you can even if you close this and you don't remember exactly where your folder is, you can always go to favorites and open shell folder. It will automatically open. You can see we deleted history, but once when you open up folder, new numbers will come up. You can see it stores in a registry. You don't want that because your Explorer will crash. And also I will show you, depending how many times you open up folders and you refresh key, and two folders come up automatically because they store history what folders you opened in Windows. But remember to do those two steps and your Windows Explorer will not crash as often. Probably not at all. I hope you like my video tutorial. See you, goodbye people.